Good morning, everyone. Today I will talk about general bacteriology, antimicrobial agents, and antimicrobial resistance. What is a antimicrobial agents? Antimicrobial agents that kill or inhibit the growth of microorganisms. They are a classification of various way. Classification in a various way according to the microorganism against which they are used antibacterial, antifungal, antiparasitic, antiviral agents. That is according to their ability to kill or inhibit the microorganism, bactericidal and bacteriostatics. According to the source, antibiotics and chemotherapeutic agents. Antibiotics, these are a natural substance produced by certain groups of microorganisms. That is a chemotherapeutic agents. These are agents are chemically synthesized. Fourth step is according to their site of action and uses. Disinfectants, antiseptics, and antibiotics. Disinfectants destroy a wide range of microbes on non-living surface to prevent their spread. Antiseptics, that is which are applied to the living tissue and help to reduce infection. And antibiotics destroy microorganisms within the body. According to the chemical structure and mechanism of action, the antimicrobial agents can be further divided into many classes. Incorrect and correct antibiotic usually used to describe antimicrobial agents. Cell wall synthesis, peptoglycan synthesis, that is a bacterian, glycopeptides, phosphomycin, vancomycin, beta-lactamate. That is a protein synthesis, 30 years protein synthesis RNA inhibitors and 50 years inhibitors. 30 years aminoglycosides, tetracycline, tigacycline. 50 years inhibitors, chlorophenicol, clindamycin, linaloid, microlides, streptogramins. Cell wall synthesis, peptoglycans, then lipopolysaccharides in gram-negative bacteria synthesis. Cytoplasmic membrane spectrum of activities polymyxin B, daptomycin. That is a nucleic acid synthesis inverts the invert the spectrum of activities. Fluoroquinolones, metronidazole, rifamycin, metabolic pathway folate, PAVA. Did you convert to folate? Folate convert to purines. Did you sulfonamides and trimethoprimethylhexamethasone. Antimicrobial agents classification, indicator and mechanism of resistance. Antimicrobial resistance refers to development of resistance to antimicrobial agents and can be two type acquired and intrinsic. Acquired, these emergent resistance in bacteria that are ordinarily susceptible antimicrobial agents. Then intrinsic resistance इंडिकेशन जो करता है इंटेंसिव रेजिस्टेंस इननेट एबिलिटी टू बैक्टीरियम टू रेजिस्टेंस क्लास ऑफ एंटीमाइक्रोबियल एजेंट्स ड्यू टू इनहेरेंट स्ट्रक्चर एंड फंक्शनल कैरेक्टर the gram negative bacteria resistant to vancomycin. Then the first of class in mechanism, first class is the penicillin. Penicillin drugs penicillin G, penicillin equals penicillin G, procaine penicillin G, benzathine penicillin G और penicillin. स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ एक्टिविटी इनविट करता है सेपोसिलिकेसिस को ग्राम पॉजिटिव बैक्टीरिया एग्जांपल स्ट्रेप्टोकोकस पायोजन निमोकोकस कोरोनिबैक्टीरियम डिप्थीरिया क्लोस्ट्रिडियम परफिंजिस गैस गैंग्रीन डिजीज अदर रिलेट टू meningococcal infection gonococcus then trypanosoma pallidum syphilis. Mechanism of the resistance drug inactivation by producing beta-lactamase enzymes, alteration of target size, decrease permeability. mechanism of resistance penicillium, then penicillium penicillium resistance, aminopenicillium, एंटी सूडोमोनल पेनिसिलियम। इसलिए मतलब ऑल ओवर कह सकते हैं कि क्लास पेनिसिलियम में ही मैकेनिज्म ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस जो है ऑलमोस्ट ड्रग इनएक्टिवेशन, अल्टेरेशन ऑफ टारगेट साइज और डिक्रीज प्रोबेबिलिटी तीनों को ही प्रोवाइड करता है, इनविट करता है। क्लास मैकेनिज्म सेकंड पेनिसिलिन इज रेजिस्टेंस पेनिसिलिन, मेथासिलिन, ऑक्सासिलिन, फ्लोक्सासिलिन, डाइक्लोऑक्सासिलिन। इनविट करता है सेल वॉल सिंथेसिस सेम एज पेनिसिलिन प्लस, सेम एज पेनिसिलिन प्लस। पेनिसिलिन प्रोड्यूस करता है स्टेप्टोकोकस ऑरियस। एमाइनो पेनिसिलिन एक्सटेंडेड स्पेक्ट्रम, एम्पिसिलिन, एमोक्सिलिन, सेम एज पेनिसिलिन प्लस। Enterococcus picaris, E. coli, Klebsiella, Helicobacter pylori, Salmonella, Shigella. Salmonella में this is reported is a resistance factor. Penicillin third class, anti-pseudomonal penicillin, carbaceline, ticagrelin, piperacillin. Then same as amino penicillin plus Pseudomonas aeruginosa. Beta lactam plus beta lactam inhibitors, दो क्लासेस मैकेनिज्म है। तो ये ड्रग्स इनहिबिट करता है अमाइनो पेनिसिलिन और एंटी सूडोमोनस पेनिसिलिन प्लस। क्लेबरोनिक एसिड, सर्वोबैक्टम, टेट्रोबैक्टम और एबिबैक्टम, सेम एज अमाइनो पेनिसिलिन और एंटी सूडोमोनल पेनिसिलिन स्पेक्ट्रम प्लस बीटा लैक्टमेस प्रोड्यूसिंग बैक्टीरिया जो इनहिबिट करता है सेल वॉल सिंथेसिस। सिफेलोस्पोरिन क्लास, सिफेलोस्पोरिन में फर्स्ट जनरेशन, सेकंड जनरेशन, थर्ड जनरेशन, फोर्थ जनरेशन, फिफ्थ जनरेशन, 5 जनरेशन होती है सिफेलोस्पोरिन क्लास में। तो फर्स्ट जनरेशन जो ड्रग्स हमारी यूज होती है वो सिपाजोलिन, सिपेलेक्सिन, इनहिबिट करता है स्टेप्टोकोकस ऑरियस, स्टेप्टोकोकस एपिडर्माइडिस, some gram negatives like E. coli and Klebsiella. Second generation ciprofloxacin, ciprofloxacin, same as a first generation plus. Then ग्राम नेगेटिव एक्टिविटी को इंक्रीज करती है एंड एनारोबिक एक्टिविटीज को इंक्रीज करती है सिफॉक्सिन एंड सिफोटेटन। थर्ड जनरेशन ऑफ क्लास सिफेलोस्पोरिन, सेप्टाजोन, सेप्टाजाइम, सेप्टाजिडाइन। Then inhibit करता है सेल वॉल को डिक्रीज एक्टिविटी अगेंस्ट ग्राम पॉजिटिव कंपेयर टू द फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड जनरेशन। देन ग्राम नेगेटिव एक्टिविटीज को इंक्रीज करता है, सम आर एक्टिव अगेंस्ट सूडोमोनास, सेप्टाजिडाइन। थर्ड जनरेशन यूज होती है सूडोमोनास। देन fourth generation cephalosporin, fourth generation cipapine, cipeprine, in which it was synthesis good activities against gram positive and gram negative including pseudomonas. Fifth generation of cephalosporin, ceftobiprole, ceftaroline, same as a fourth generation and MRSA, only first then beta lactamase to effective against methicillin resistant streptococcus aureus. तो मैकेनिज्म ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस मतलब फिफ्थ जनरेशन तक सिफेलोस्पोरिन की ESBL एक्सटेंडेड स्पेक्ट्रम बीटा लैक्टमेज रेजिस्टेंस। देन क्लास थर्ड कार्बापेनम, carbapenem drugs used by epipenum, meropenem, doripenem, ertapenem, inhibit the cell synthesis broadest range of activity against most bacteria which include gram-positive cocci, enterobacteriaceae, pseudomonas, listeria, anaerobes like bacteroides, Frangius and Clostridiums typicals. That is your no action on MRSA and mycoplasma. मैकेनिज्म ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस कार्बापेनम प्रोड्यूस करता है कार्बापेनेज एंड इफ्लेक्स पंप. देन मोनोबैक्टम ड्रग्स यूज ऑफ इजेट्रोनम spectrum of activities gram negative rods. Then mechanism of resistance ESBL. Fourth चीज है बीटा लैक्टमेट प्लस बीटा लैक्टमेट इनहिबिटर्स. Drugs use ampicillin, sulbactam, amoxicillin, clavulat, cifoperazone, sulbactam, ceftazidime, avibactam, ceftonogen, tozobactam, piperacillin, tozobactam, and meropenem, bevobactam. Their Ball synthesis spectrum of activity same as spectrum of respective beta-lactam drugs plus active against the beta-lactam producing bacteria. Have excellent anaerobic coverage. जो मैकेनिज्म आप यूज होती है ESBL स्पेक्ट्रम ऑफ एक्सटेंडेड स्पेक्ट्रम बीटा लैक्टम. क्लास मैकेनिज्म ग्लाइकोपेप्टाइड. Glycopeptide bacteriicides in disrupt peptoglycan cross linkage. Drugs vancomycin, ticocaine, spectrum of activity जो active against gram-positive bacteria including MRSA, drug of choice and Clostridium difficult infection. Alteration of target, mechanism resistance. Phosphomycin for drugs phosphomycin inhibit the enzyme UDP. Nested glucosamine 3 transferase, also known as MURA-A, required for cell wall synthesis. Active against UTI, urinary tract pathogens against both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria such as Enterococcus faecalis or Escherichia coli. Mechanism of resistance: phosphomycin, alteration of target producing enzymes that inhibit phosphomycin. Bactericin, topical gram-positive cocci infection. Mechanism of resistance that is not defined. Class amino anti-30S ribosomal subunit protein synthesis inverts करते हैं. Aminoglycosides bacterial irreversible binding to 30S. Gentamicin drugs, neomycin, amikacin, tubramycin, streptomycin used for each protein synthesis invitation aerobic gram-negative bacteria. Obtained used to empirical therapy in adjuvant the third generation cephalosporin in respiratory infection, meningitis, and acute bacterial endocarditis. That is the cephalosporin is a third generation. Cephalosporin third generation. Example was septagine, septagidine, septadidine. Mechanism of resistant drugs inactivation by aminoglycosides modified enzymes, decreased permeability through gram-negative outer membrane, decreased influx of drugs. Class of tetracycline. That is a protein synthesis inhibition 38 tetracycline and glycosine. Tetracycline, doxycycline, minocycline, democycline. Spectrum of activities Rickettsia, Chlamydia, Mycoplasma, Spirochetes, Yersinia, Brucella, Haemophilus influenzae, Campylobacter, Vibrio coli. Tricyclocyclines, tetracycline, Streptococcus, Enterococcus, Vector, and E. coli. 50S ribosomal subunits protein synthesis invitation. Drug of choice से क्लोरोपिनिकॉल. क्लोरोपिनिकॉल बैक्टीरियोस्टैटिक्स बाइंड करता है. Then peptide bond and interfere with ribosomes. Chloropinicol drugs spectrum of activity Haemophilus influenzae, pyogenic meningitis, anaerobic infection, brain abscess, enteric fever, development of resistance. Then macrolides erythromycin, azithromycin, clarithromycin, Spectrum of activities of bacteria, Streptococcus, Haemophilus influenzae, Mycoplasma pneumoniae. Lymphosamides, oxazolidinones, streptogramins, DTGT50S ribosomal 7 protein synthesis mutation, and oxazolidinones, streptogramins, lymphosamides, clindamycin, limpomycin, oxazolidinones class, then drug of choice, linezolid, streptogramins, quinoprestin, dalfoprestin. So that is streptogramin, streptococcus pyogenes, streptococcus aureus, skin infection, MRSA infection, BRI, vancomycin resistant streptococci infection. Nucleic acid synthesis inhibitors, cell wall synthesis, DNA synthesis inhibitors. जो डीएनए को इनहिबिट करता है, the class fluoroquinolones inhibit DNA gyrase disability and topoisomerase 4 thus inhibit DNA synthesis. Fluoro फ्लोरोक्विनोलोन्स में नैलेडेक्सिन, फ्लोरोक्विनोलोन्स फर्स्ट जनरेशन, फ्लोरोक्विनोलोन्स सेकंड जनरेशन. तो फर्स्ट जनरेशन नॉरकॉक्सिन, सिप्रोफॉक्सिन, ओफॉक्सिन. सेकंड जनरेशन लेवोफ्लॉक्सिन, लोमोफ्लॉक्सिन, मॉक्सीफ्लॉक्सिन, स्पेरोफॉक्सिन. Nalidixic acid drug of choice that bacteria coliform gram negative bacilli. Fluoroquinol first generation Enterobacteriaceae, E. coli, Klebsiella, Salmonella, Proteus. Then levofloxacin, moxifloxacin, Nigeria, Haemophilus, Campylobacter, Pseudomonas or Staphylococcus aureus. Then nitronazole, metronidazole, tenonazole, spinazole, that DNA synthesis anaerobic organism. Nitrofuran, nitrofurantoin, UTI infection, E. coli, Klebsiella or Enterococcus. That is the alternative drug activatase enzymes. Nucleic acid synthesis inhibitors, then RNA synthesis inhibitors. जो सेल वॉल को इनहिबिट करती है आरएनए सिंथेसिस में. राइफामाइसिन, राइफॉक्समिन, माइकोबैक्टीरियम ट्यूबरक्लोसिस, माइकोबैक्टीरियम लेप्री, नॉन ट्यूबरक्लोसिस मैक्रोबैक्टीरिया, स्टेफाइलोकोकस ऑरियस. प्रोफिलैक्सिस फॉर हेमोफिलस इन्फ्लुएंजा मेनिंजाइटिस, प्रोफिलैक्सिस फॉर मेनिंजोकोका मेनिंजाइटिस. Mechanism of resistance, alternation of target mutation of RPOP gene. Then isonicotinic acid hydrazide isoniazid ionized tuberculosis, latent tuberculosis. Folic acid synthesis inhibitors, that bacteriostatic compatibility inhibit enzyme involvement 2-step folic acid biosynthesis. PAVA and dihydrofolic acid. PAVA, para-aminobenzoic acid, convert to dihydrofolic acid. Dihydrofolic acid convert to the tetrahydrofolic acid. That enzyme PAVA convert to dihydrofolic acid, folate synthesis, sulfonamide blocks. Dihydrofolic acid, dihydrofluoride reductase, trimethaprime blocks. Then tetrahydrofolic acid. Folic acid synthesis inhibitor anti-floats, sulfadiazine, sulfacetamide, cotrexamazole. Used topically in blood-bound surface, cotrexamazole is indicated in the UTI respiratory tract infection. Active against Klebsiella, Enterobacter. Mechanism of resistance to production of insensitive target dihydropetrol synthesis, dihydrofluorate reductase, trimethaprime that bypass metabolic block. एंटीमाइक्रोबियल एजेंट दैट एक्ट ऑन सेल वॉल सेल मेम्ब्रेन सिंथेसिस के ग्रामिसाइडिन लाइपोपेप्टाइड पॉलीमिक्सिन ग्रामिसाइडिन फॉर्म करते हैं पोर्स को lipopeptides forms a channel in cell membrane leading to leakage. Polymyxin bind to lipopolysaccharides and destruct both outer and inner cell membrane. Then lipopeptide agent drugs are daptomycin, bactericides against gram-positive bacteria including VRI and MRSA. That is not defined. Then polymyxin destruct outer and inner membrane, polymyxin B, colistin or polymyxin E. So systematic and inhalation use. Spectrum of activity gram-negative infection. Mechanism of resistance alternation of lipopolysaccharide efflux pump mediated. Antimicrobial resistance. Antimicrobial resistance refers to development of resistance to antimicrobial drugs. By a microorganism can be two types: intrinsic resistance and acquired resistance. Acquired resistance refers to the emergence of resistance in a bacteria that are ordinarily susceptible to antimicrobial agents by acquiring the genes coding for resistance. Most of the antimicrobial resistance shown by bacteria belong the overuse and misuse antimicrobial agents is the single most important cause of development of acquired resistance. Then use of a particular antibiotic causes selective pressure in a population which in a turn promotes resistance bacteria to thrive and the susceptible bacteria to die off. Resistance bacteria population flourishes in area of high antimicrobial uses where they enjoy selective advantage over susceptible population. Acquired resistance, so that is a factor basis favoring the spreading of antimicrobial resistance, including first of all poor infection control practice in hospital, poor hand hygiene and practice, inadequate sanitary condition, inappropriate food handling, international use of antibiotic by doctors, not following antimicrobial susceptible report, uncontrolled sale of antibiotics over the counters without prescription, acquired resistance. Acquired resistance susceptible to bacteria invade resistance bacteria that before antibiotic start. Antibiotic treatment start, then resistance bacteria, selection of resistance bacteria after antibiotic pressure. Then final population of resistance bacteria की increasing that convert to resistant strain then spread in the environment and transfer the gene coding for resistance to under unrelated bacteria. Intrinsic resistance. It refers to the innate ability to bacterium to the resistance class of antimicrobial agents due to its inherent structure of functional characteristics. Example for that is a gram-negative bacteria, E. coli, Pseudomonas, Salmonella, are resistant to vancomycin. Intrinsic resistance. So that mutational and intrinsic resistant Enterobacteriaceae, member of family Enterobacteriaceae, are intensely resistant to microbial specific gram-positive negative such as clindamycin, daptomycin, fuchsidic acid, lipopeptides, vancomycin. Exceptions Salmonella and Shigella species are susceptible to erythromycin. Then Klebsiella pneumoniae, Heterobacter species and Enterobacter species. Non-fermentative gram-negative bacteria. Non-fermentative gram-negative bacteria are intrinsically resistant to penicillin, cephalosporin. Second, cephomycin, clindamycin, streptomycin, fusidic acid, glycopeptides, ingeloid, macrolides, fluorescein, talcopestin, and lycopepsin. Non-fermenting gram-negative bacteria, example Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Acinetobacter baumannii, Stenotocomonas, Maltophilia. Gram-positive bacteria, intensely resistant to the antimicrobial gram-positive bacteria, intensely resistant to erythrochrome, polymyxin in N-aldehydic acid. Gram-positive Staphylococcus aureus, same as for other gram-positive bacteria, Enterococcus species. Gram-positive bacteria plus cephalosporin, aminoglycosides, clindamycin, and protimazole. Mutational and transformable drug resistance. Mutational in presence of selective antibiotic tracer bacteria acquires new genes mainly by two broad methods: mutational resistance and transformable drug resistance. Mutational resistance can develop due to mutation of the resistance gene. Example is typically seen in Mycobacterium tuberculosis developing resistance to anti-tubercle drugs. Then mutational drug resistance differs from transfer drugs resistance to HIV. Multiply therapy. Use tuberculosis 4 to 5 different classes of drugs such as isoniazid, rifamycin, pyrazinamide, and streptomycin. Transferable drug resistance is a plasmid-coded transferable by conjugation or early transduction transformation. They are a resistance-coded plasmid called as a resistant plasmid carrying multiple genes, each coding for resistance to one class of antibiotic. They are a result from high degree resistance. Multiple drugs which cannot be overcome by using combination of drugs. Gram negate that is a overcome using combination. Mutational versus transformer drug resistance. Mutational drug resistance one drugs one time, multiple drug resistance same time. Mutational drug resistance low degree resistance, transform high degree resistance. Mutational resistance can be overcome combination of drugs and cannot be overcome by drugs combination. That is a virulence factor or resistant mutant may be lowered and transfer drug resistance may virulence factor not decrease. Mutational drug resistance is not transferred to the other organ by spreading to the offspring by vertical spread only. Then the transfer by spreading by horizontal spread, conjugation or rarely by transfection and transformation. Mechanism of antimicrobial resistance. Decreased permeability across the cell wall. Bacteria modified their cell membrane or ion channel either in a frequency, size, or selectivity. That is preventing the antimicrobials from enter the cell wall. That is antimicrobial resistance seen in the Pseudomonas, Heterobacter, Klebsiella species against drugs such as imipenem, aminoglycosides, and pheromones. Second is efflux. Efflux, certain bacteria possess efflux pump which is a mediated expulsion of the drugs from the cell wall. That preventing the intracellular accumulation of the drugs. By enzymatic inactivation, Inactivate the antimicrobial agents by producing various enzymes. Beta-lactamase enzyme production, that is, it breaks down the beta-lactam ring by inactivating the beta-lactam antibiotics. Aminoglycosides modified enzyme destroy the structure of aminoglycosides. Chlorophenicol acetyl transferase destroy the structure of chlorophenicol. Expression mechanism fourth step is by modified the target sites. By modified the target sites of antimicrobial agents within the bacteria, very important mechanism. MRSA methicillin resistant Staphylococcus aureus in the strain target site of penicillin. Penicillin binding protein get altered to PGP2A. The altered PV coded chromosomally coded gene MAG-A do not support it binding to beta-lactam antibiotics. Beta-lactam resistance in pneumococcal is due to alteration of PV2 streptomycin resistance in Mycobacterium tuberculosis due to modification of ribosomal protein or 16S ribosomal RNA. Rifamycin resistance to Mycobacterium tuberculosis due to mutation in the RNA polymerase. Beta-lactamase enzyme. Beta-lactamase enzyme are capable of hydrolyzing the beta-lactamase ring that beta-lactamase antibiotics, deactivating their antibacterial properties. Produced by both gram-positive and gram-negative organisms. That is a plasmid coated transferable from the one bacteria to other mostly by conjugation. Excepting in Staphylococcus aureus where they are transferable by transduction. Beta-lactamase of various types. Extended spectrum beta-lactamase organism producing ESBL enzymes are resistant to all penicillin, first, second, third generation cephalosporin and monobactam. Monobactam ever remains sensitive to carbapenem and cefamycin. The resistance can be overcome by use of beta-lactam along with beta-lactamase inhibitor. That example for sulbactam and clavulanic acid. This is ESBL. Ampicillin C beta-lactamase in addition to the antibiotic to which ESBL producing or resistance. Ampicillin C beta-lactamase produces a resistance to cefamycins. That is sensitive to carbapenem resistance cannot be overcome beta-lactamase and beta-lactamase inhibitor combined. Carbapenem disease organs are resistant to all the antibiotics to which ampicillin C that is a beta-lactamase produce the resistance. Carbapenem resistance cannot be overcome by beta-lactamase and beta-lactamase inhibitors. Important example carbapenem Klebsiella pneumoniae carbapenem New Delhi metallo-beta-lactamase. That is a routine detection of beta-lactamase enzyme in the laboratory is not necessary. Thank you.